Hello everyone, good day. This is the group 3, and today we're going to discuss our learning task in arrays.
So first, let's compile the NASM program, and let's create an object file, and let's run the executable file. So here, the program will prompt the welcome message, and the program will ask for one digit number. Let's try let's try 3, and sorted array will be displayed, and the program will ask to continue. Let's input Y for yes, and the program will ask again for one digit number. Let's try 1. So sorted array will be prompted. Then the program will ask again to continue. Let's try yes. Then the program will ask again for one digit number. Let's input 2. Then sorted array will be displayed. Let's try for invalid inputs. For continue, let's try T. Then the program will display an invalid error message and will ask again to continue. Let's try an invalid input for one digit number. Let's try 10. Then input should be one digit number. Please enter again a valid input, and the program will ask a one digit number again. Then let's try to terminate the program. Then the program will prompt thank you message, and it will terminate the program.